Leveling is a bad word in the foundation industry. The reason being is when your house was built, how level was it? I don't know either. So how you figure out if your house is settling is typically you'll get cracks off of window frames. You'll get cracks over doors, and your doors will start sticking. You'll start having unlevel floors that are settling to the perimeter of the house. Those are all signs of your house starting to settle. Typically is caused by a lack of water. When you have expansive soils like we do in the Midwest, when you take the soil or the moisture burden out of the soil shrinks. It's like a sponge. When the sponge is dry, it's very small. When you put water in it, it expands 2 or 3 times its size. That's what the soil in the Midwest does. When that happens, and we go through a drought, we go through a massive dry spell, that soil shrinks from the house, and as it shrinks, the foundation wants to follow. When that happens, that's when the foundation drops, and as it drops, all the wood framing is connected to it. So as it pulls, it's trying to pull everything with it, and that's where you start getting your stress fractures and your cracks that are over windows, doors, usually in bolted ceilings you see it a lot. Those are all signs of houses shifting and settling. The risk of not correcting a house that is settling is there is rebar attached to the entire perimeter of the house. It's all connected. If you do not correct one side, what happens is as that drops and settles, it causes stress along the rest of the foundation. As that continues to settle, it continues to cause breaks and pulls the rest of the foundation with it. So you potentially go from one corner needed correcting to half the house. And as that pulls, if you continue to let this go, it also pulls the framework apart, the joists, the rim joists, and everything else that's connected to it, and it reduces the chances of recovery.